In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mondaycom for construction 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable setup for building schedules, assigning work, and keeping your field and office teams perfectly aligned. First, log into monday.com. Any modern browser will work, and the mobile app mirrors what you set up here, which is great for crews on site. Once you're in, click the plus icon and choose board. This is your project hub. Instead of starting from scratch, select Start with Template. Templates save you time and help standardize how your jobs are tracked across projects. In the Template Center, search for construction. You'll see options geared toward project management, scheduling, and coordination. Pick the construction schedule template. This one provides a ready-made structure that fits most build life cycles. Click Use Template to add it to your workspace so your team can access it immediately. Now tailor the columns to your project specifics. Include budgets to track cost exposure, add a subcontractors column to know who's responsible for each scope, and make sure your project phases are represented. Use the right column types: numbers for budgets, status for progress, people for ownership, and drop downs or text for scopes or trades, so the data is both organized and actionable. Structure your tasks by grouping them into phases. Think pre-construction, site work, framing, MEP rough-in, finishes, inspections, and punch list. Clear phase groups make it easy to roll up progress and spot bottlenecks. Assign ownership using the people column. Give each task a clear owner and, if helpful, add followers for stakeholders who need visibility. Accountability is what drives on-time delivery. Track timelines by adding a timeline column and enabling dependencies. This lets you visualize durations, see impacts when a task slips, and switch to a Gantt view to understand the critical path at a glance. For real-time updates, ask your field crew to update task statuses daily from the mobile app. They can change status, add notes, and upload photos directly to the item so the office has current information without waiting for end-of-day emails. Collaborate and automate to reduce manual follow-up. Use item updates for discussions, attach submittals or drawings to tasks, and set simple automations like notifying the next trade when a predecessor is marked done to keep the schedule moving. Finally, create a dashboard for monitoring and reporting. Add widgets for timeline overviews, workload by person, budget totals, and status breakdowns. Filter by job, phase, or subcontractor to get the exact view you need. That's it. Your construction workflow in monday.com, set up for speed, clarity, and consistent execution.